Ever notice something strange? The people getting promoted the fastest are usually not the busiest people in the office. Strange, right? Because top 1% employees don't necessarily work harder. They just work differently. Most employees spend 10 hours a day working and still feel replaceable. They answer every call, join every meeting, reply instantly on Teams, stay online late. But then appraisal season comes around, and suddenly the manager says, "You need more visibility." And honestly, that hurts. Especially when deep down, you know you worked harder than almost everyone around you. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Nobody teaches you about corporate life. Hard work gets noticed. Strategic work gets rewarded. That's the difference. Habit number 1. Top employees protect their morning energy. Average employees start the day reacting. Notifications, emails, pings, calls. Top performers? They start the day deciding. Before opening Teams, before checking Outlook, they ask themselves, what's the most valuable thing I can do today? Huge difference. One finance manager spends 2 hours clearing random emails. Another spends 30 focused minutes solving a billing escalation impacting collections. Guess which person leadership remembers? Habit number 2. They understand visibility. And this one is painful. Because in corporate life, silent hard work is almost invisible. Top employees don't simply say, "I worked hard." They say, "We reduced dispute resolution time by 22%. See the difference? One sounds emotional, the other sounds valuable. That single sentence changes how leadership sees you. And honestly, this is why sometimes less skilled employees grow faster. Not because they're smarter, because they know how to show impact. And wait till you hear habit number 5. That's the one AI still cannot replace. Habit number 3. They learn daily, but with purpose. Top employees don't spend hours consuming random motivational content. They learn skills connected directly to career growth. Excel, automation, AI tools, communication, problem solving, because they understand one scary reality. AI probably won't replace finance professionals completely, but finance professionals using AI, they absolutely will replace people who refuse to learn it. And that shift has already started, quietly. Habit number 4. They don't try to look busy, they focus on outcomes. Some employees spend the whole day in meetings and still achieve nothing meaningful. Top performers say no more often. No unnecessary calls, no fake urgency, no endless status meetings. One senior leader once said something powerful. If your calendar is fully packed every single day, you probably don't control your work. That line changes the way you see productivity. Habit number 5. They build trust, not office politics. Top employees rarely waste energy gossiping. They build reliability. Because when collections get stuck, when month-end pressure explodes, when clients escalate, managers remember only one thing: who stayed dependable under pressure. That's it. Because in corporate life, skills might get you hired, but trust gets you promoted. Habit number 6. They document everything. And experienced employees already know how important this is. Approvals, escalations, client discussions, decisions, commitments, everything. Because memory disappears very quickly during blame games, documentation doesn't. And sometimes, one email can literally save your career. Habit number 7. They protect their mind. This is the habit most people ignore until it's too late. Top employees understand something important. Burnout doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks very normal. You slowly stop caring. You lose curiosity. Your motivation disappears. Even small tasks start feeling heavy. And no promotion is worth destroying your health for. The smartest employees protect their mental energy the same way they protect their salary. Because a tired brain makes average decisions. So next time you see someone growing quickly in corporate life, don't ask, how hard are they working? Ask, what are they doing differently? And honestly, which one of these habits do you think most employees completely ignore? Comment below. And subscribe if you want real advice for surviving, growing, and staying relevant in corporate life.